Hey guys, in this video I would like to demonstrate how useful it is to have Tesla dash cams built in to the car. So I had an incident with my Tesla Model Y and we did get some damage on both of those cars. Luckily no one got hurt, but the cars did receive damage, and for insurance purposes it's quite useful to have this footage available. And we even have multiple angles available. So this is the front camera angle, and here we can see more clearly what happened. From the Tesla's angle we can see there's a green light, and we can't yet see anybody coming from the other side. They also have a green light, but the car is going to turn left from their angle. So from this Tesla's angle, turn right over here. And the turning car should naturally wait. But here we can see the turning car is going to proceed without stopping. And from the Tesla's point of view, even with braking in these winter conditions, it was not possible to get the car stopped within that distance. So this Tesla dash cam footage was retrieved from the USB flash drive, which is in the glove box. I have a separate video on how to take that footage off the flash drive onto your computer. There's a link down below in the description. You can check that out. But unfortunately, this footage doesn't really contain any information about the telemetrics from the car. So we can't see, there's no burnt in information about the speed of the car, or if the brake pedal was pressed and when the brake pedal was pressed and things like that. So analyzing the footage about speeding or reaction times to starting braking and things like that are not possible. But if you check in the car on the Tesla screen, playback the footage, you will be able to see the telemetrics like speed here before starting to brake, 43 kilometers per hour. It's a zone of for 50 kilometers per hour. And we can see that the accelerator pedal is being pressed, and the steering wheel is in a straight position, and the brake pedal is not being pressed at this moment. So if you go a few seconds further, we can see that the brake pedal is being pressed, the accelerator is no longer being pressed, speed has dropped to 35 kilometers per hour because braking has gone on for a few seconds at this point, and the wheel is being turned to the right, and that's why the car turns right, trying to avoid a collision here. And this is the moment at impact. We can see that there's some snow bouncing off the cars, and the brake pedal is still being pressed, and the speed just before impact was 25 kilometers per hour. So all of this information is really useful for an insurance claim purpose, or if there would have been a dispute about who was at fault here. In this case, the car who turned in front of the Tesla was at fault. But of course, also reminds everybody about the slippery conditions, that extra caution is needed to avoid collisions. So for an insurance claim purpose, I think the best thing to do is to record the screen on just use your phone camera to record the Tesla screen to get the burnt in telemetrics information, so that you see the speed and when braking started and things like that. But then also take the USB stick out and grab the full quality footage. Of course, if you would like to do a kind of reaction time analysis on when braking started, it would be best to get the footage and the telemetric information combined. If somebody knows how to get the telemetrics from the car without involving Tesla, please let me know down below in the comments. I'm really curious about that. We have a total of 4 angles. There's also the back angle and the right repeater, but those are not really useful for this collision. But if you found this video helpful or interesting in any way, please give the video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.